Hello guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. I've got another satisfying clean with me today, so I really hope that you find all the motivation that you come looking for. Do go ahead and leave today's video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you do, and let's just jump straight into it. So I started off in the bedroom just by making the bed and getting the bedroom nice and cozy. I do like to do this at first thing. It just sets me up for a good day. So I can now head into the kitchen and do the little bit of washing up that was left. I have been trying to keep on top of this a little bit more lately. So there's not too much to do, but there's always some left. So I'm just going to crack on with that. And then I can just wipe down the sides and get all of it dried up and put away so I can go in and clean the sink and just get everything nice and fresh before we head through into the front room and then tackle other areas in the house as well today.
You've been up underneath my skin. No one's ever gonna win, so we might as well get in now. Still the fights always leave a thrill. I can imagine how I will. You go on, I know the drill now. I've been getting high from this drug for longer than I know. Now it's time to go. I'm not letting you push me around, so should have let you know a long time ago. I know what you're gonna say. I know what you'll do to me. I know I'm not gonna stay. Try to get up, you're dragging me down. Better back off, I'll turn it around. All the ones are for all the ones are for all the ones are for I'm standing my ground. Finally free and on the rebound. All the ones are for all the ones are for all the ones are for Try to get up, you're dragging me down. Better back off, I'll turn it around. Try to get up, you're dragging me down. Better back off, I'll turn it around. Standing my ground, finally free on the rebound. All the ones are for all. It's over. It's over.
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke and the mirrors are memories now. The sun's gone down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. This ain't no sugar-coated love. This ain't no sugar-coated love. I stay in bed, I still got the feeling that you're next to me. Stuck in my head when lights go off. You're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you.
So this room always looks 10 times worse than it actually is, and I think that's just because where I pull the chair out, moving the bigger furniture out of place, it just makes the whole room look untidy. So it only takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to do a quick pickup and put everything back where it belongs and just neaten it up, and then I can go back in and give it a dust and a hoover and just give it more of a thorough clean. But I do love to have a quick pickup every morning just to get it nice and tidy.
The smoke in the mirrors are memories now. The sun's gone down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. This ain't no sugar-coated love.
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words. No.
So now everything's nice and clean, it feels so good. I'm now coming back into the kitchen and I've just grabbed the paint. This is the paint that I used to do the kitchen about 4 or 5 days ago now, and this line here is really annoying me. You can see like the magnolia coming through, so I grabbed some different paintbrushes, just some really small ones, just so I can do that line. And I'm also going to come through and touch up the ceiling a little bit. You can see marks where we've knocked it with furniture and stuff, and there's another one over there, so I just need a few touch-ups and stuff, and then we can carry on with the cleaning. I do need to hoover the stairs, and I've still got a ton of ironing to do, so I really hope that you're getting all the motivation in today's video.
Beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slammed the door, I would be the richest girl alive. But you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't.
So I've been putting off cleaning this wax burner for so long, and I don't really know why. I see it every day and it's just built up with dust and stuff, and I've been meaning to clean it out and it just hasn't been done. So I thought today will be the day that I quickly did that. So once everything was done in the kitchen and the front room, it was then time to go in and hoover the stairs because hay has just been getting everywhere. I think it just gets stuck to our socks from the front room, and then we tread it throughout the whole house. So hoovering is definitely something I have to do every single day, so I'm really glad that I actually enjoy hoovering. I'm not a huge fan of doing the stairs, but this hoover definitely makes it 10 times easier, so I'm glad that I've got this one. So once I'd finished doing the stairs, I could then crack on with the ironing, and I do just carry everything downstairs now and stick something on the telly and do the ironing down there, and I much prefer doing it that way. Whenever I did it in the laundry room, it was always so boring and I hated ironing, but I actually started to like ironing again. I find it really relaxing, so I always just make a coffee and stick something on the telly and just relax whilst doing the ironing. I'm currently still watching Gilmore Girls. I only watch like a couple of episodes every couple of weeks or something like that. Whenever I do ironing, I watch Gilmore Girls, but I don't really watch it any of the time. It has just become my ironing program, so I'm definitely going to be watching that for a long time. Like I said, I only watch an episode a couple of times a week or something like that, so it's going to last me ages. But yeah, it definitely makes me enjoy ironing more, and I've been getting quite a few comments from you guys as well saying that you enjoy watching me ironing because you don't really see many people iron here on YouTube. So I would really like to know if you iron yourselves or if you just enjoy watching other people iron. Let me know down in the comments if you are an ironer. I know that so many people don't, and especially if you use a tumble dryer, a lot of the time you don't actually need to iron. I never used to iron when I used to tumble dry the clothes, but now I hang dry them. Everything needs ironing, so I'd love to know if you tumble dry or if you iron. Just let me know down in the comments.
Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I've had so much fun hanging out with you guys today, and I really hope that you found all the motivation that you came looking for. Do go ahead and subscribe, and also leave today's video a thumbs up if you did. I do post every single weekday, Monday through Friday, bringing a ton of cleaning motivation, decluttering and organisation, and also some decorating videos as well, and I would love for you to be a part of it. So go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys back here in the next one.
Sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages.